The KAGE GreatER bar is the ultimate land plane with rippers for compact Bobcat equipment. This hydraulic-free ground scarifier and land leveler can do it all. Loosen hard-packed soil by activating the replaceable ripper teeth with the mechanical front activation bar and driving forward. Then level and feather by either backing up or deactivating the scarifiers using the same activation bar. Both methods allow you to utilize its 3 replaceable cutting edges without interference. The KAGE GreatER bar offers up to 4 1/8 inches of adjustable ripper depth, as well as a large safety step for entering and leaving the cab. If you have a bucket that needs transporting, simply stow it atop the GreatER bar with the built-in bucket holding claw. The GreatER bar is available in 4-foot, 6-foot, and 7-foot widths, with weights ranging from around 550 pounds to just over 1,000 pounds. It's compatible with all Bobcat equipment designed for skid steer attachments, including mini track loaders, compact track loaders, skid steers, tool cats, telehandlers, compact tractors, and compact wheel loaders. This GreatER attachment can handle anything from parking lots, driveways, roads, paths, trails, and motorsport tracks, to construction sites, food plots, and equestrian areas composed of the most challenging forms of crushed rock and soil. KAGE's experience-driven attachments are proudly made in the USA.